Once you have Word open, go to the Layout tab and switch it to Landscape. Then go to Insert and add a line shape. Make sure to align it to the center. The purpose of the line is to make it easier during the folding stage. Next, go to Google Images and search for a banner. I like going to Advanced Search and setting the size to tall. Be careful. Some banners require a license. Next, insert the picture. You will need to set the layout option so that it will be behind the text. This will also allow us to move it freely. Go back to the Insert tab and add a movable text box. Don't forget to set the text to the best font. Afterwards, press Ctrl A to select the entire page. Then Ctrl C to copy it. Go to the Insert tab and add a new page. Then press Ctrl V. You can then change the second page picture or delete it entirely. Don't forget to change the text. It is now time to print it. I recommend using cardstock for cards. If your printer is like mine, you can print one page, put it back into the printer like I did, and print the second page.